Katlego Maboe welcomes baby boy. TV presenter Katlego Maboe has confirmed that he and his partner Monique Muller have welcomed a son into the world. Kot posted a picture of 3 hands with a touching message to his son, who they have named Phoenix. Our bouncing baby boy is strong, he even stood up today, makes the funniest faces and has the cutest cry. Mommy is wearing the broadest smile on her face and is smitten with her little one. He thanked everyone for their messages of support. We are immensely grateful to all our family and friends for the incredible support. You have truly made this the most special time for us. Dear Lord, thank you for the gift of our little Phoenix. Grant us the strength and wisdom to guide him back to you on his life journey. Amen. And now, back to nappy changing.
Yeah.